Have you ever opened your suitcase mid-trip and thought, what was I thinking? Trust me, you're not alone. At 55, I finally cracked the code on what actually works when it comes to staying organized while I'm traveling. And today I'm sharing my three absolute favorite Amazon finds that make every trip feel easier, lighter, and way less chaotic. Let's get into it. First up, the pill organizer that finally replaced my sad little Ziploc bag system. It's compact, TSA friendly, and sleek enough to toss into my carry-on. I use it for all my vitamins and supplements, and the compartments are super easy to open without breaking a nail. And let's be real, when you're hopping time zones or on a cruise ship, it's so helpful to have your daily routine simplified. Next, the compression packing cubes that finally ended my overpacking spiral. These are magical. I can fit almost double the amount in my carry-on and keep everything sorted. Dinner outfits in one, beach wear in another, active wear in another. I must say the compression zipper is a game changer. And when I get to my hotel or cabin, I literally just unzip them and slide them right into a drawer. There's no mess, no where's my swimsuit, chaos, just smooth travel vibes. Now on to this tech organizer that keeps my cords, chargers, backup battery, even my CPass card and passport all in one place. Ladies, let me tell you, there's no more digging through a giant tote, pulling out a lipstick when you're meant to find your phone charger. This zips flat, fits into my personal item, and makes airport security so much easier. Bonus, I even keep a backup lipstick and TSA pre-check card tucked in mine because chic and prepared is the vibe. If you travel with your pup like I do, I've got a whole list of travel must-haves for dogs too, linked below. Hollywood doesn't pack light, but he does pack cute. These three items seriously changed how I travel, especially after 50. I feel lighter, more organized, and like the calmest version of me on the go. If you want to shop any of these, everything is linked below on my Amazon storefront. And if you're ready to travel smarter, not just with your suitcase, but with your health and finances too, go ahead and subscribe. I cover everything from luxury travel to Medicare clarity with a side of margaritas and mindset. Want more packing tips? Click right here for my cruise must-haves video, and don't forget to download the free checklist in the description. It's made for women over 50 by a woman that is over 50. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. And remember, love forward, travel far, stay inspired.